Naming polyatomic ionic compounds. Example number 1. Give a systematic name for the compound which has a formula of Na2SO3. Since sodium has a fixed oxidation state, group 1A, there will be no Roman numeral after the cation name. SO3 2 negative is the sulfate ion. See the polyatomic ions table to the next page. Therefore, the name of this compound is sodium sulfite. Example number 2. Give a systematic name for the compound which has a formula of NnOH2. Since manganese has a variable oxidation state, there will be a Roman numeral after the cation name. OH negative is the hydroxide ion. See the next page. Since there are two OH ions, the charge on the manganese must be to balance the charge. Therefore, the name of this compound is manganese 2 hydroxide. Example number 3. Write the formula for sodium bicarbonate. The sodium ion is Na positive. The bicarbonate ion is HCO3 negative. See the polyatomic ions table in the next page. One sodium ion will balance the charge of one bicarbonate ion. Therefore, the formula is NaHCO3.